Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from First Cry Parenting.
Home remedies for dry cough in babies and toddlers. Dry cough is troublesome for adults. Think about babies. Try these effective age-old home remedies for cough and keep your cutie patootie from pain. From birth to 6 months. 1. Breast milk. For a baby under 6 months of age, breast milk is the best home remedy for dry cough. 2. Garlic and carom seeds. Dry roast a few garlic cloves and 2 to 3 spoons of carom seeds. Put these roasted spices in a muslin cloth pouch. Place it near your baby's pillow. 3. Herbal rub. Heat 1/4 cups of mustard oil in a pan, along with 2 garlic cloves and half a teaspoon of carom seeds. After it turns brown, remove it from the heat and apply this warm oil to your baby's chest, back, and feet. 4. Nasal saline drops. Put a few saline drops in each nostril by tilting your baby's head backwards. From 6 to 10 months. 1. Cumin water. Boil a glass of water and add 1 to 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds in it. Cool the decoction and feed it to your baby several times a day. 2. Carrot juice. Feed diluted fresh carrot juice to treat cough and cold in babies. 3. Mustard oil massage. Heat some mustard oil in a pan. Add some kalonji and mated anar, fenugreek seeds. Strain the oil and massage your baby's chest, back, and feet. From 10 to 12 months. 1. Infused coconut oil. Take 1 betel stem, 3 to 4 basil, tulsi, leaves, and 1 pearl onion. Warm all these ingredients in half a cup of coconut oil. Add a pinch of camphor after turning off the heat. Apply this infused oil on your baby's chest, back and throat. 2. Increase fluid intake. Get your baby to drink more water and juice. Warm beverages like soups help relieve sore throat. 3. Black pepper, cumin, and jaggery. Boil 1 cup of water. Add a pinch of cumin seeds, half a spoon of black pepper, 1 to 2 spoons of jaggery, some fenugreek seeds and basil leaves. Boil all these ingredients together for about 10 minutes. Give 1 to 2 teaspoons of this concoction to your baby, not more than once a day. We hope these home remedies work for your little one. However, consult your baby's pediatrician before proceeding with any of it.